Okay, Marco. So I am Sandyman, and we will be learning here some basic maths. So, Marco, like your name is Marco, my name is Sandyman. Okay. So, similarly, you know this already that this sign, this sign is plus sign. We call this plus. You have seen this in your calculator, Marco. This is plus sign. Okay. This is plus. This is used for the addition things, Marco. Now what is addition and what this sign do, Marco? Okay, see, pay attention, huh? It is what this sign does is it does addition. It means, like, for example, Marco have, this is Marco have four apple. This is one apple, this is two apple, this is three apple, and this is four apple. Okay, now what happened? Sandyman came and said, hi Marco, how are you? So Marco will say, oh, I am good, Sandyman, how are you? Then I will say, hi Marco, I bought this two apples for you. I bought how many apples, Marco? I bought two apples for you. So you already have how many apples? Count with me. Okay, you already had 1 2 3 4 apples. But when Sandyman came and he gave you how many more apples? He gave you two more apples. So two more apples you will have now. So now you add this. You, how many total apples Marco will be having? Marco will be having 1 2 3 4. So four Marco, you initially you had four apples. Then how many I give? I gave you, Sandyman gave you two apples. So this is one and this is two. So we will use this plus sign. Can you see this plus sign? And I gave you two apple, 1 2. So how many total apples you have now, Marco? So you count how many total apples you have. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So Marco have total how many apple? 4 plus 2 is, answer is 6. Okay, you are getting, Marco, what I said? Okay, let's do one more example. Okay, this is another example. See, uh, if I give you five apples, 1 2 3 4 5. Initially I gave you five apples. This is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now Fortunate came and he gave you three more apples. 1 2 3. He gave you how many? Three more apples. So how many apples you will be having total now, Marco? You will be having how many? See, you in starting you have 1 2 3 4 5 apples here, five apples. Then three apples Fortunate give you again. So this three apples, and you are doing plus. So 5 plus 3 is how much, Marco? 5 plus 3 is, count here, 1 2 3 4 5 apples and 3 apples. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 6 7 8. So now total you have 8 apples. All right. So this is 5 plus 3 is 8. So I am giving you one homework, Marco. I hope you understand this, and this is simple only, but don't use calculator. Okay, this is your homework. Homework, WORK, homework for Marco. Okay, I will give you two questions. Question number 1 is 7. This is 7 plus 3. What is 7 plus 3? And question number 2 is 4 plus 5. Okay, You have to tell me this, Marco. But don't use calculator. You can use like this, or you can use your fingers. Okay. So better you use this type of techniques for now. Okay, or you can use your fingers also, like 2 plus 2, how many? 2 plus 2 is 1 2 3 4. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, how much? 3 plus 2 is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can do in fingers also, or you can do like this also. Like for 5 you can write 1 2 3 4 5. For 3 you can write 1 2 3. And when there is this sign is for plus, for addition. So you can count all together: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, Marco, if you have any confusion, you can ask me. So we will continue this again. Okay, bye.